Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here, you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. In this series, we'll uncover the secrets of permaculture, creating gardens that thrive in harmony with nature. This is your how-to guide to learn the different rules of permaculture and see how you can apply them in your garden. Before we sow the first seed, we must pause and engage in the art of observation. This is the first step in creating a harmonious garden, one that thrives in sync with its environment. Feel the texture of your soil, run it through your fingers, and understand its composition. Is it sandy, clayey, or loamy? Each type has its own story to tell and its own needs. Observe how sunlight dances across your garden, casting shadows and illuminating different areas throughout the day. Notice which spots receive the most light and which are shaded. Watch the wind weave through, rustling leaves and bending branches. Feel its direction and strength as it can influence the growth and health of your plants. This is not mere observation, it is a dialogue with nature. By paying attention, we learn the language of our garden and can respond to its needs. Through this understanding, we can design a garden that works in concert with the natural world. We become co-creators, working alongside nature rather than against it. Notice how a south-facing wall absorbs the sun's warmth, creating a haven for heat-loving plants. This microclimate can extend your growing season and support a wider variety of species. Observe the gentle slope of the land, guiding water to thirsty roots or away from delicate seedlings. Water is a precious resource, and understanding its flow can help us use it wisely. Listen to the symphony of life in your garden, the buzz of bees, the rustling of ladybugs, the chirping of birds. Each sound is a sign of a thriving ecosystem. These are indicators of a healthy ecosystem, a testament to the balance of life in your garden. They show that your garden is not just a collection of plants, but a living, breathing community. This knowledge is the foundation upon which we will build our permaculture paradise. By observing and interacting, we lay the groundwork for a garden that is resilient, productive, and beautiful. In the dance of life, energy is the music that sets everything in motion. The sun showers our planet with life-giving rays, and we must capture and store this energy to sustain our ecosystems and daily lives. The sun's energy is abundant and free, a gift that keeps on giving. By harnessing solar power, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and move towards a cleaner, greener future. Imagine your garden as interconnected vessels, each designed to hold this precious energy. Every plant, every structure, and every element plays a role in this intricate dance. Use dark-colored materials like stones to absorb and radiate heat, creating microclimates that can extend your growing season and protect sensitive plants from frost. Collect rainwater in barrels, turning it into a life-giving elixir for your plants. This not only conserves water, but also ensures that your garden thrives even during dry spells. Plant windbreaks of trees and shrubs to protect delicate plants and funnel gentle breezes. These natural barriers can reduce wind damage and create a more stable environment for your garden. Compost bins transform kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost, feeding your soil and promoting healthy plant growth. This closed-loop system reduces waste and enriches your garden. By catching and storing energy, we create self-sufficient ecosystems, reducing reliance on external inputs and fostering resilience in our gardens. This transforms our gardens into vibrant reservoirs of abundance, where every element works in harmony to sustain life and promote growth. Embrace the power of nature and let your garden flourish. A garden must be productive, intertwining beauty and bounty. It's a space where nature's aesthetics meet the practical needs of our daily lives. This is the essence of obtaining a yield, ensuring our gardens provide tangible rewards. From the fresh vegetables we harvest to the satisfaction of seeing our hard work come to fruition, every yield is a testament to our efforts. A yield is not limited to food, it includes all the gifts our gardens bestow. The vibrant colors of blooming flowers, the soothing rustle of leaves in the wind, and the serene beauty of a shaded garden are all valuable yields. The perfume of roses, the colors of blooming flowers, the shade of a leafy tree, these too are yields. They enrich our senses and provide a sanctuary for relaxation and reflection. Choose plants that provide multiple yields, like fruit trees offering delicious fruit and shade. These trees not only feed us, but also create microclimates that benefit other plants and wildlife. Incorporate perennial vegetables for continuous harvests with minimal effort. These plants come back year after year, reducing the need for replanting and ensuring a steady supply of fresh produce. Vertical gardening maximizes space and increases yields, transforming small gardens into bountiful oases. By growing upwards, we can make the most of limited space and create lush, productive environments even in urban settings. A successful permaculture garden provides for our needs while enriching our lives. It's a sustainable approach that works with nature, not against it, ensuring long-term productivity and ecological balance. It's about creating a harmonious and abundant ecosystem. By observing and mimicking natural processes, we can cultivate gardens that are not only productive, but also resilient and self-sustaining. Use and value renewable resources and services. As permaculturists, we create gardens that sustain themselves and tread lightly on the earth. Turn to the sun to power your garden with solar lights, water features, and pumps. Embrace the power of the wind with clotheslines and wind turbines. Use water-efficient irrigation systems like drip irrigation to minimize waste. Composting transforms kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil amendments. By making conscious choices, we reduce our ecological footprint. We create gardens that exist in harmony with the natural world. This is the essence of using and valuing renewable resources. Produce no waste. In nature, there is no waste. Everything returns to nourish new life. Embrace composting to transform kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost. Practice vermicomposting with earthworms to create compost tea. Repurpose materials like old pallets into vertical gardens and tires into raised beds. Adopt a zero-waste mindset, finding creative uses for even the smallest scraps. By producing no waste, we create sustainable gardens and a better future. Design from patterns to details. Observe the larger forces at play before focusing on specifics. Notice how the sun moves, where water collects, and the direction of the wind. Position gardens to maximize sunlight, capture rainwater, and create microclimates. Once we understand the patterns, we can focus on details like plant selection and pathway design. A successful permaculture garden is a symphony of elements working together. It's about creating a harmonious and productive whole. Integrate rather than segregate. Create gardens that mimic the interconnectedness of nature. Embrace companion planting, intermingling species that benefit each other. Create guilds, diverse communities of plants that work together. Integrate animals like chickens, ducks, and bees into your garden ecosystem. Foster symbiotic relationships for more productive and resilient gardens. This is the essence of integrating rather than segregating. Use small and slow solutions. True sustainability is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, focusing on one area of your garden at a time. Observe how sunlight, water, and wind interact with your garden. Choose solutions appropriate to the scale of your garden. Be patient and allow your garden to evolve organically. Avoid rushing the process. Embrace the slow and steady approach. A permaculture garden is a lifelong journey of sustainable living. It's about making gradual adjustments and gaining experience. Use and value diversity. Diversity creates a resilient ecosystem that withstands pests and diseases. Embrace a variety of plant species, mixing annuals, perennials, edibles, and ornamentals. Experiment with different varieties within a single species. Encourage beneficial insects by planting pollinator-friendly flowers. Provide habitat for ladybugs, lacewings, and earthworms. Diversity enhances the beauty and productivity of your garden. A diverse garden is more resilient and rewarding. This is the power of diversity in permaculture. Creatively use and respond to change. Change is the only constant in nature. Embrace the cyclical nature of the seasons, adapting your gardening practices. Observe how your garden responds to weather patterns. Experiment and make adjustments as needed. View problems as opportunities for creative problem solving. A permaculture garden is a dynamic and evolving ecosystem. By embracing change, we create sustainable and rewarding gardens. This is the essence of creatively using and responding to change. As we end our journey through permaculture, remember that a garden reflects our values and connection to nature. By embracing permaculture principles, we nurture our gardens and our planet. The principles we've explored can transform our gardens and our lives. Create gardens that are beautiful, productive, and resilient. Go forth and cultivate your own permaculture paradise, a testament to the power of nature